It's about the pencil. Do the ABCs, the F, and the 1, 2, 3 S. It's the pencil. It's about the pencil. Set us out.
Welcome back, everybody, to the Blake and Ben show. So today we will be opening the Paldean Fates that came out last Friday. Let's go and catch them all. Let's get into it, everybody. Let's take this bad boy out. I also like this. It's like very cool. It's like water and stuff. I like that. Is this a sticker, everyone? Is it? Wow.
Oh, it looks
awesome. It's like, wait, let me show you guys. It shines. This is the lock pack. Okay, everyone. So, I got Mischief Baby Shiny. Look at that bad boy. Promo. Look at this video. Let's go. Let's put this
It's
inside.
a cool,
like hollow because it's a baby shiny. And yeah. Okay, everyone. So we got the the Sledge. And comment down below what this Pokemon name is. Again, I forgot what its name, but it does have a buddy. It's fire type. We got Tenfu out in the thing, and then another Tenfu. So we have Pikachu, and we have this other one that I don't know. Then we have this other one too that I don't know. Let's go.
Let's go, everybody. This has been, and let's see what we got. So, Chardet, Chris Punch, Artizona, T is cool, Routes, Execute, Barboach, Arbogod. Ooh, and we got a great touch. EX for the finishing touch. Let's go. Okay, everybody, let's open another pack. Okay. Mine Junior, Mass Chip, Jimmer Hole, The Chunk, Ultra Ball, Mass Hold, Moonlit Heal. Ooh, we got a baby shiny with a Pikachu and a Arnaput Notivare EX. Let's go. So now we are going to open our last pack, and please give us a Charizard or something good. Let's go. Gimmerhole, Scraggy, Flittle, Pingu Whopper, Nemo's Backpack, Whimscout, Outtits, Daedmart, Moonlit Heal, Professor Research for the last
pack magic. Let's go. Look at that cool background. And we finished that with 3 cool cards. Let's go. And my favorite one out of all is the baby shiny. Let's go. Because I really like this card, especially since it's from Sun and Moon. I like it. And it's a shiny. Let's go, everybody. Bye-bye from Ben. Okay, everybody, so welcome back. So it's going to be Blake opening his packs. So let's go. So everyone use the code. Okay, so we got a Fampe, a Nobat, a Densi, a Chikaminko, Pinam Primerby, Ultra Ball, Must Hold, and then we got a Natsu, and then a Nimano's backpack, and then a Exutu. I like this card because the background of it, it's like a ghosty form. So yeah. Okay, next pack. That was a hard one. Here you go. The goat. Okay. Frybacks. Mastiff. Watts. Magmar. Actus. And then Dolphin. Nimano's backpack. Scraggy. Lono. And then we got a Mastiff. Everybody, look at that. Look at that. What? I love the background of the... what's that Pokemon called again? I forgot the name, but I love the background, the electric gym leader. I know. She's awesome. That's like best hit that we got right now. Go. Code Numo Macarista Paldean students Lapras Camera Up. Oh, there's a card right behind it. Actius Dolphin Ultra Ball. Woglito! Whoa! What the heck? This looks so awesome! Oh my god! There's like so much of them. This is... I like these cards. So first, I got a trainer, and then now I got a Pokemon. That's crazy. So So guys, these are my good hits, and today I like this one the most. That's why it is in the middle, and I like the promo too. Very cool. And I like that this one, it's like shows a ancient on the side. I like ancient cards, and I'm very glad that I have these cards. So thank you for watching. So guys, my favorite one is I Know, because it's in the 4th hit, and because of the background it has like Pokemon, and she's the electric gym leader. I always like the electric type Pokemon. And then I like my baby shiny Mischief. He's awesome. I have that Pokemon on the game. And then I got the Wartio, and I really like it because there's like so much Pokemon in the back, and then there's a shiny in the back of it. But I Know's my favorite out of all 3 of them. And thank you guys for watching. And make sure you guys like and subscribe. Ding the notifications and the bell, and make sure you subscribe. It's the Blake and Ben Show. It's the Blake and Ben Show. Do the ABCs with us, and the 1, 2, 3s with us. It's the Blake and Ben Show. It's the Blake and Ben Show. Check us out.